Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Alright, so this next video we're going to do is an extension of muscle and tendon changing. We talked about how to take a force onto your body, direct the force to your joints, stretch the joint open to activate the fascia, relax and stretch the muscle open so we have fascia tension versus muscle tension. And from there we talked briefly about using the building the ball qigong exercise to tune the fascia to a particular feeling, the feeling of life force. So from here the next step is that feeling of life force. We have to generate an autopilot so that when you're sitting in asana, you're sitting in your meditation posture, that you stretch the body, open all the joints, relax the muscles, stretch the fascia and activate that fluidic feeling quality of life force, of jin, of vitality. And as you stretch everything open and radiate energy, you want to reach a point within your meditation posture that you become an engine for producing life force. Now this is really important in meditation because it's the fuel that supports the body, it's the fuel that supports the astral feeling of energy. It's the fuel that actually animates the mind. It gives the mind function. It can, the mind, the meditation can be alive with information and ideas, and it has power because of life force. And if you look at any yogi in India, they have perfect posture. They have the fascia tuned, their body is a prana radiator, and their mind is fueled by this power of prana. It's in their posture. So if your body is limp and relaxed, you have no life force. You just look at a person who's limp and they have no energy. They're not glowing. Or if they tune the fascia and stretch, they get this nice glow in their body, they're radiant, and they make this a subconscious part of their meditations. Every time they meditate, everything's stretched open, and their mind can wander off and do something else and not be meditating, but the body is generating energy. So even though the mind might not be in the right place, the body's in the right place. Once your body's in the right place, when you put your mind in the right place, it has a lot of fuel. So we want to make a subconscious habit of stretching everything open and tuning the fascia to life force. So this muscle and tendon changing principle is the foundation of meditation posture. It's the foundation of how you sit, how you stretch your body, how you radiate. And you'll find that every part of you will be strengthened, unfortunately including your negatives as well as your positives, by good posture. If you tune the fascia, you apply the muscle and tendon changing principles into how you meditate, this radiant life force will plasticize the mind and give the mind substance and power. And this is, if you go to a yoga class and you see people who have yoga, you'll see some people who are stretching from their joints, everything's stretching open, they've tuned the fascia to life force and they're radiating. Other people might be overstretched, limp, loose, a little bit too elastic, and there's no radiance. So there's a fine balance between being tense and too relaxed. And this is inside what we call fascia tension, that the facial tension has to be perfect. When the fascia tension is perfect, then we have a situation where the mind has the energy to be supported, the feelings have the energy to be supported, and the body is self-supporting because you've got the subconscious habit of gravity running through the body, fueling the stretch of the fascia, generating jin, vitality and life force around your field, supporting all these levels of consciousness. So the fabric of good meditation is good posture. You want to tune the fascia, get this mastered first. And I've been teaching this stuff for over 30 years. And what I've found is you can look at any group and look at the quality of the posture, and you'll know the quality of the meditation and the growth rate of the person. When people get their posture right, they tune the fascia to the stretch, okay, that person's going to accelerate really quickly. And it's obvious that that vital force that their body is producing is going to support their mind and make their meditation strong. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.